Hi, my name is Swathimaa and I'm the founder of Shivaloka Soul Jewelry. And today I'm introducing you to a powerful tool that has been used since ancient times by India's holy men and women for its spiritual power and influence. With this spiritual tool, you can heal yourself, protect yourself from negativity, and attract more love, more abundance, and more peace into your life. We create and design authentic, sacred jewelry and malas that have been blessed and activated to offer you specific energetic benefits to empower your life and fast-track your spiritual practice. Our soul jewelry transmits divine blessings. Blessings are prayers and intentions activated through Shakti, spiritual power. Without Shakti, blessings don't have the capacity to transform your life. We use high vibrational, authentic sacred beads and combinations of healing gems to produce a specific energetic channel so there is greater support and ease for you to manifest your needs and desires in life. It helps greatly with gaining more authority in your life by teaching you how to create your desired reality with the use of sacred power objects.